Here's the driveway we just finished up paving today over here in Haymarket. And they'd built a new garage. That area was actually gravel. The rest of this was old asphalt. So we had to come in and add some stone and regrade it, make sure they don't get any water in the garage. And just got it done. They actually just put an oil-based sealer on it. And on this one, we had to actually bury this downspout. If you look here, this pipe goes underground. It goes right over there between those bushes. And then the discharge end is, well, you can't really see it, but it's right over there, just past the edge of the asphalt over there. But it came out good. This is actually the second one we did today. There's the next door neighbors over there. We paved their driveway also. And it all came out real nice. Everybody's really happy with their work out here. So if you need a driveway, give us a call. But yeah, those can be a real good idea. These folks were getting a lot of ice forming in the wintertime from that downspout just discharging on the driveway. And it was becoming kind of a safety issue because this would all turn into ice out here. And it's pretty shaded, so it would take a long time for that ice to melt. And I don't think they actually had fell, but they'd had some close calls, it sounds like. So if you need your downspouts buried, not every company does that, but we do. We're pretty full service, so let us know.